ᱥᱟᱱᱟᱢ ᱠᱚᱜᱮ ᱡᱚᱦᱟᱨ ᱛᱮᱦᱮᱧ ᱟᱨ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱮᱱ ᱵᱞᱚᱜ ᱟᱛᱮᱧ ᱥᱮᱴᱮᱨ ᱟᱠᱟᱱᱟ। ᱦᱚᱞᱟ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱯᱟᱨᱚᱢᱮᱱ 15 ᱱᱚᱵᱷᱮᱢᱵᱚᱨ ᱵᱤᱨᱥᱟᱹ ᱢᱩᱱᱰᱟᱣᱟᱜ ᱡᱟᱱᱟᱢ ᱢᱟᱦᱟ ᱟᱞᱮ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱠᱤᱥ ᱤᱱᱥᱴᱤᱴᱤᱭᱩᱴ ᱨᱮ ᱵᱤᱨᱥᱟᱹ ᱢᱩᱱᱰᱟᱣᱟᱜ ᱡᱟᱱᱟᱢ ᱢᱟᱦᱟ ᱢᱟᱱᱟᱣ ᱦᱩᱭᱱᱟ। ᱟᱨ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱨᱮᱱ ᱥᱴᱩᱰᱮंᱴ ᱠᱚ ᱛᱤᱱᱟᱹᱜ ᱢᱚᱡᱽ ᱠᱚ ᱯᱟᱨᱯᱷᱚᱨᱢᱮন্স ᱠᱟᱫᱟ ᱩᱫᱩᱜ ᱟᱯᱮ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱵᱟᱹᱭ ᱵᱟᱹᱭᱛᱮ ᱧᱮᱞ ᱯᱮ ᱯᱳᱭᱞᱳ ᱠᱷᱚᱱᱟᱜ ᱢᱩᱪᱟᱹᱫ ᱫᱷᱟᱹᱵᱤᱡ ᱠᱤᱱᱛᱩ ᱢᱟᱱᱮ ᱥᱟᱹᱨᱤᱜᱮ ᱧᱮᱞ ᱞᱮᱠᱷᱟᱱ ᱯᱮ ᱵᱩᱡᱽ ᱫᱟᱲᱮᱭᱟᱜᱼᱟ ᱢᱟᱱᱮ ᱡᱤᱣᱤ ᱦᱚᱸ ᱡᱤᱣᱤ ᱢᱚᱱᱮ ᱦᱚᱸ ᱢᱚᱱᱮ ᱦᱮᱰᱮ ᱩᱛᱟᱹᱨᱚᱜᱼᱟ। ᱱᱩᱱᱟᱹᱜ ᱢᱚᱡᱽ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱮᱱ ᱯᱟᱨᱯᱷᱚᱨᱢᱮন্স ᱠᱟᱫᱟ ᱠᱚ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱛᱟᱞᱟ ᱛᱮᱠᱚ ᱩᱫᱩᱜ ᱟᱠᱟᱫᱟ ᱡᱮ ᱵᱤᱨᱥᱟᱹ ᱢᱩᱱᱰᱟ ᱚᱠᱚᱭᱮ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱞᱮᱠᱟ ᱠᱟᱛᱮ ᱢᱟᱱᱮ ᱡᱤᱣᱤ ᱫᱚ ᱪᱟᱞᱟᱣ
Bhagwan Birsa Munda, long live. Bhagwan Birsa Munda was born on 15 November 1875 at Karibia, Gujarati, a tribal Munda village which is 40 kilometers away from present Ranchi city of Chhattisgarh. He was the son of father Sudana Munda and mother Karni Hati. He died on 2nd June 1900, sacrificing his life as a great tribal leader of the movement of India against British rule. Declared by the Government of India. He is a great tribal freedom fighter of India. Immortal forever. He also wanted to stop atrocity of British. Mobilize Munda people, convince them about their own rights on agricultural land and mountains, and sensitize them to revolt against British rule. fought against conversion of religion. He organized Munda people not to obey British rule, to respect and stick to their own Munda religion, and not to be converted to Christianity. Let the Emperor of Queen Victoria fall down, and let the Emperor of Munda tribe be established. Birsa with his comrades proceeded to set fire to Munda police station. British police announced a reward of 500. Treacherous Shashi Bhushan Roy and Majita Maria secretly British police caught Birsa from Sankara Forest on 5th March 1900. He was tortured severely inside the Ranchi jail and poisoned. Birthday is celebrated as Janajatiya Gaurav દિવસ.